Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9002 Microdermabrasion machine. The fuselage is beautiful and the vertical design is more convenient. The device has 2 modes and 3 gears. Press once the middle button for opening and shutting down the machine. Press the first button to select mode. The default is the automatic mode. Press the second button to start and pause. Press once to pause, press gain to start. The fourth button for suction upward adjustment, press it to increase the suction. The fifth button for suction decreasing, press to decrease the suction. After selecting the suction gear, press second button to run the automatic mode. Manual mode demonstration. The default mode is automatic mode. You can change the manual mode by press the button again. In order to show the effect directly, now test it on hand. The first gear suction power is small. The second gear suction power is moderate, power more than the first gear. The third gear power is strongest, the effect ion is obviously. Different mode brings different effect ion. For more details you can contact with us directly. Replacing demonstration for the filter cotton/gasters/suction tips. Disassemble and replace the filter cotton or gasters directly. Demonstration for cleansing the tips. Using the brush with some water to clean the suction tips. Wait till the suction tips dry entirely, then install it to the body. Charging demonstration. Docking of the body with the charging base. Connect the charging hole of the base with the USB cable. Charging and power display. Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9002 Microdermabrasion machine.